Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create your own action figure with your own face. As you can see, the face is really recognizable and we can create pretty nice action figures in different styles. This video was inspired by Reno Nadiandi with his YouTube channel I Design with Canva. You can find the channel link in the description. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So first, we need the prompt. First I can show you. The images will be created in a Canva Dreamlab. And for this, we need two things. First, we need an image. So first I add my image, what I would like to use. Now I will use this female photo, just randomly downloaded from the Canva image gallery. So it's done. I use this image. And now we need the prompt. And for the prompt generation, I will use a AI tool to create me a pretty useful prompt. So this prompt, what I'm using for the prompt generation, will be also in the description. So I just click on it and wait until the Perplexity create me the prompt for the image generation. I just copying it and adding to the description. And now, I forgot to do one important thing. I forgot to change the aspect ratio. That will be also nice with this 16:9. But as you can see, that's also the face is really recognizable. But if I change to 3:4 and create another round, and now that's the image will be really looks like this action figure. Of course, here is also, but now this one is what the hell? This is not so nice. Those images. Oh, this one is okay. Yeah, time to time we have to play with the prompt. So this don't want to it's female of police officer. Just have to check what's wrong. So okay, so officer, female police officer, action figure, detailed and professional police uniform. That's everything else than professional. I think if I remove this female word, I would like to see what's happening. Just police officer, might be in this case the clothes will be professional, not like this. Yeah, it's much better now. It's much better now. I don't know why the okay, at least one is more or less good. Others are a bit strange. I think this works better with male action figures for sure. When I tested it was already looks better than the female versions. As you can see, I just tried first now, so I didn't have any experience with it. But as you can see, it's creating very nicely. Might be not 100% professional for these female models, but for the male models is really, really nice. But actually, like this is also, I like this. Maybe this is also a nice one. And actually, yeah, this one with the high heels is a bit like a bit joke, but I can ask it to create again. And maybe from the 8 images, I can find at least one which is really professional and really usable. But wait until the, I don't know why that's so so dodgy with this female, but if I change to male, my style, choose file, using the male version, and I think a female, the word female, I already removed it. Yeah, use image, transfer from police officer, badge, bat, under their sense of factory should be packaging design. Sorry, just reading. Officer Brandy will be Officer Brad. Okay, now it's. Would like to see the result for the male version. Would like to see blue trousers only. So fingers crossed, hope so. The no. What's wrong? What I did wrong? This one's also funny. So that's a police officer somehow. It's not so. Maybe the Dreamlab doesn't really like the police officers. So that's. Now I would like to try again something. Sorry, I just need this lady again. And just would like to test with use image. When I had this, use this, okay. Captain Robert will be retired. It is Roberta. Yes. Would like to see if the, I think this is Hobbs is a firefighter. No. Okay, I copied wrong, I think. I wanted to copy this one. Sorry. Oh yeah, fire marshal. Then Jessica. Would like to see now. This will be supposed to be a proper female firefighter without any dodgy. Yeah, that's pretty nice, pretty straightforward. Yes. For this one, it's really nice. The face is still recognizable, like on this image. If I going back to here, adding upload files, upload her, no, open. Select the background and elements was this, so increasing. So this face is really recognizable still, and some part, I don't know why, for the police officer was not so good. Maybe I said mentioned this Dreamlab doesn't really like the police officers, but for this fire marshal is perfect, I think. Even the clothes, everything nicely detailed. Even we can add anything to her hand if I want, like X or some other tools. We just have to add into the description when we writing the prompt. So it's this tool is this technique or this not even technique. This is a really good combination to using two different AI tools to create something unique. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it and find it useful. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in a comment section if you miss anything or struggling anything with the Canva. Please also visit my Facebook page. You can find the link also in the description, where you can find lots of other Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another Canva experts. Plus you can find a bunch of text to image prompts for image generation for different kind of tools. So if you are also interested in this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. As I mentioned before, you can find it in the description, the link, sorry. But now this tutorial is really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.